station area. Guitar station area. cars. Staging area. Turn 1. All right, give it up for your 2023 Wythe Modified Track Champion and tonight's speaker from Roaring Tree, Virginia, Patrick Wheeler. Good job, Patrick.
Thank you, Andy. It's been a heck of a year. I got to thank good Lord, safe year. Well, for him, we wouldn't be out here anyway. Well, for y'all fans, we wouldn't be out here. I got to thank my mom and dad. They watched the above from heaven. They would ride with me all year. We got 3 angels on this car. Arcade's dad's on the front. Debbie's dad's on the side. We got Will, the old man that actually this car was actually built for 2 years ago. He should be driving this. He's been with the championship, I think. I got my boy here, Hudson. He's been with me the whole half season. He's a trooper. It's late night. I got to thank my wife. She's at home. She puts up with this nonsense. My other sons, Harry and Hayes. I got to thank RK. I got to thank Debbie, Jimmy. I got to thank everybody. Heath Martin, Virginia Driveline, Noah, Blue Ridge Chiropractic. I got Aspen up there. He's daughter. She's up there watching. Hope she made it through tonight. I thank Morgan. He's run me a heck of a season. He's run me clean all year. I got to thank Justin and all them. All these guys we run with this year, they're heck of drivers. I'd run with them anywhere. I appreciate all y'all fans sticking out. Thank y'all. It's a heck of a year. Appreciate it.
Hey, if any of y'all need a fast car wheeler, this one's for sale tonight. Just contact me. All right. Coming home and second from Cheer Howie, Mr. Morgan Wythe. Good job, Morgan.
Thanks, sir. First off, you're asking Patrick and those guys, man. I think it's the first race he's won this year, but hell, he's been up here ever on the front stretch every race, I believe. So, consistency wins championships. Congratulations to him and all those guys. I hope they change their minds to come back race with us next year. RK said they didn't know if they could afford to go to Charlotte, but they just won that $1,000, so y'all don't let them get by with that.
Help me out a lot.
Yes, sir. I gotta thank my wife, my little girl, my dad, Zach, my cousin, Cheyenne, Joey, George, everybody that's helped me throughout the year. I appreciate every bit of it. We worked hard and kind of figured this thing out this year, but I gotta thank all my sponsors, Elite Chassis. They, Brandon Goulet Racing Customs, he's got us really hooked up, and we're looking forward to a couple races at the end of the year. Winder Towing, Recovery, Brooks Body Shop, Wythe Race Apparel, Virginia Driveline, Rick's Mobile Welding, Spring Valley Cattle Farms, Sections Welding, Car Crushers of Marion, 21 Motorsports, Ramey Race Engine Stock Shops. I'm probably missing some. Thank y'all fans for coming out, weathering it, and hopefully y'all come back next year. Thank y'all.
All right, good job, Morgan. All right, coming home in third from Davidson, North Carolina. Good buddy, Kevin Tangrazio. Good job, Kevin.
That was a hell of a race with 50. And that was fun. That was a lot of fun. He respected me, I respected him, and I almost got into him down there. I slammed on the brakes so I didn't get into him, and I hope he enjoyed that race because that was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it because it was something in the car to be right there. Just ran out of time. The car was fast. Just ran out of time. I took myself back in the qualifying. While I was pushing, you guys probably could see that. I was pushing real bad, and I called my son at home. I said, "Hey, what do I do here? I don't know what the hell to do." He told me what to do, and man, the car was fast. Charlotte's coming up, Cherokee, we're top 3 car there. We'll see what happens.
All right, good job. Be safe coming home.